Good morning, guys. Today, what's up, you guys? Let's go to Explore. It's good doing for cushion. Everything sideways right now, you guys. I'm just heading to work, so I will talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey guys, I just got done work. It's super late, you guys. Just heading home. So I've been working since 7 o'clock and now it's 12:30. So it's kind of busy. So yeah, that's what's going on, you guys. And bus safety, like stickers, and help them out, like move buses in, and did some tool work. So that's kind of cool. I got to do some stuff like look at different types of things that I did not know about bus, so that is what's going on. We have ham and bean casserole and macaroni. Guys, showing myself stuff, guys.